This octopus rewrites its brain in hours to survive the impossible. For over a century, we believed your genetic code was written in stone, unchangeable within a lifetime. Then we discovered the octopus. In the crushing depths off California, these creatures are performing what might change how you think about your own brain. They're editing their genetic instructions in real time, transforming their minds to survive in a world that would kill most complex life. But this discovery was just the beginning. The story begins at the Marine Biological Laboratory in Woods Hole, Massachusetts. For decades, researchers like Joshua Rosenthal have been studying something that defied explanation: why cephalopods, the group including octopuses, squid, and cuttlefish, behave with intelligence that rivals your own brain, despite having completely different evolutionary origins. Unlike you, with your 86 billion neurons centralized in your skull, an octopus distributes 2/3 of its 500 million neurons throughout its 8 arms. Each arm can taste what it touches and react independently. But here's what puzzled scientists. How does such a distributed nervous system maintain coordination when facing environmental extremes? What they found would rewrite biology itself. In the coastal waters where octopuses live, temperatures can swing by 20 degrees Celsius, from the warmth of shallow summer waters to the bone-chilling depths of winter currents. For most animals, such temperature shifts would be catastrophic. Your neural networks are exquisitely sensitive to temperature changes. Even a few degrees can cause proteins to malfunction, synapses to misfire, and complex behaviors to collapse. In 2015, Rosenthal's team made a discovery that would rewrite our understanding of genetics itself. While examining the RNA of common squid, they found something extraordinary: over 57,000 sites where the genetic code had been altered. Not the DNA, the RNA, the molecular messenger that carries genetic instructions to build proteins. But the mechanism they discovered was unlike anything in nature. To understand why this changes everything, imagine DNA as a master cookbook in a library, permanent, unchangeable. RNA is like a photocopy of a specific recipe that you take to your kitchen. In most animals, that photocopy is faithful to the original, but in cephalopods, it's as if tiny editors are constantly rewriting the recipe while you're cooking, substituting ingredients in real time. Matthew Burke, now at St. Francis University, designed an experiment that would reveal the answer. He collected California two-spot octopuses and divided them into 2 worlds, one at 22 degrees Celsius, mimicking warm summer seas, and another at 13 degrees, the temperature where most complex life begins to fail. What happened next defied every rule of biology. In the cold water octopuses, RNA editing activity exploded. At over 13,000 different sites, the animals were actively rewriting their genetic instructions. The warm water group? Only 550 sites. These creatures were literally reprogramming their brains for survival. RNA edits tweaked 2 proteins. Kinesin 1, a neural cargo truck, slows in cold water for efficiency, while synaptotagmin tunes brain signals like a DJ adjusting the mix for perfect communication. To confirm their laboratory findings, Burke collected wild octopuses from their natural dens during both summer and winter. The results were identical. In nature, these animals continuously edit their neural proteins as seasons change. maintaining optimal brain function in conditions that would impair most other complex life. The scope of this editing is unprecedented. While you edit less than 3% of your neural RNAs, octopuses edit over 60%. But here's what makes this even more extraordinary. Only coleoid cephalopods, octopuses, squids, and cuttlefish have evolved this extreme editing ability. They're virtually alone in the animal kingdom, operating with a completely different biological playbook that prioritizes adaptability over genetic permanence. But this evolutionary superpower comes with a radical price. This discovery may explain why octopuses seem almost alien in their intelligence. With thousands of protein variants generated through RNA editing, their nervous systems possess a flexibility that your rigid genetic system cannot match. They don't just solve problems. They rewire themselves to think differently about each challenge. But Eli Eisenberg at Tel Aviv University discovered the evolutionary cost of this power. By constantly editing their RNA, cephalopods have essentially become addicted to flexibility. Their DNA evolution has slowed to a crawl. While other animals develop permanent new capabilities through genetic mutations over millions of years, octopuses achieve innovation through temporary modifications. They've traded the long-term security of genetic evolution for the immediate advantage of neural adaptability. It's a biological gamble that paid off in the short term but may limit their evolutionary future. Imagine RNA edits reversing Alzheimer's memory loss or erasing chronic pain without drugs. Octopuses might hold the key. Rosenthal and Eisenberg are now investigating whether octopus-inspired RNA editing could treat your neurological diseases, providing non-addictive pain relief and combating degenerative brain conditions. For hundreds of millions of years, while most life forms remained locked into their genetic programming, octopuses chose a radically different path. In a stunning evolutionary gamble, they became the only complex animals to master the art of self-editing, rewriting the very proteins that shape their thoughts. They've achieved something that redefines intelligence itself, a biological consciousness that rewrites its own neural architecture in real time. They are the architects of their own minds. Octopuses rewrite their brains to conquer the deep. Their alien intelligence redefines life itself. Their secret could unlock our future. The ocean hides answers,